Hi, I'm Dr. Younas with Infectious Disease at Hurley Medical Center. We had a pretty bad flu season this year. It's still ongoing. And sometimes, you may not be sick, but you may keep on having a lingering cough after influenza or after another viral infection, which can sometimes last for weeks sometimes. And one of the other things that also can last for a few weeks is like a fatigue or feeling fatigue for quite some time. So those things can be quite normal. So you do not have the influenza or the viral infection that's still going, but it is like an inflammation post the illness, and the airway irritation or inflammation that has happened from the infection, and it's taking its time to resolve. Most of us, when they're having chronic cough, it is more of a post-viral irritation. It doesn't mean that they are actively shedding the virus or they are actively sick and need more treatment for that.